the day I shoot the video of the lake of Pimpaldas, right? I'm going to show you the actual scenario now, how it looks and how it is. Okay, you can see in front of me there is bridge, right? There is bridge. I have time. Alright, there is bridge, there is sun, you can see Surya Devata and this lake. How it is? Say. Now there is some amount of fog, but still it is really good. Okay, I will go to the shore of the Kinara. The water of this Nadi, this river, is really not that good, but it's okay. You can see there is small tiny boat, and here it's a big one. Was they are badak? Duck, I don't know. Alright, she must be so much deep. Was they are badak? Duck, I don't know. Alright, she must be so much deep. अच्छे रास्ते से भी जा सकता था, इधर से क्यों जा रहा हूँ मैं? I don't know. Alright, I just have to go. Right, time so much less. Don't have time. Alright. Or just this. Alright, once again we are on the bridge. Please wear helmet, sisters. Yes, thank you for wearing helmet.